What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick crypto news and market update. Lots of major things going on. Cardano ADA hitting nearly $2 and speculation that Tesla will be accepting ADA as payment. We're going to be talking about this along with some other major news going on in the space. So before we start, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so the crypto markets are still not looking that great since Tesla and Elon Musk announced that they won't be accepting Bitcoin as payment for the time being. I do think this is only temporary though, and this will push a solution that will be good for the entire cryptocurrency space as a whole. So before this, we also had another dip caused by Tesla selling 10% of their Bitcoin. So I do believe this is the bottom of the dips caused by Tesla and Elon Musk, and I do think there's some good announcements to come from Elon Musk. So he did mention that they will be looking at other cryptocurrencies that are less than 1% of the power consumption of Bitcoin mining. So people are speculating this is going to be ADA as the first option here. Of course, they're going to do Dogecoin, and I do believe they will do something like Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash as well. So definitely some huge announcements to come from Tesla, and then we also will have an announcement when they start accepting Bitcoin as payment once again, which I do think both of those announcements will give a boost to the crypto space. So I think it's only uphill from here unless we do get some bad announcements about taxes or regulations in the crypto space. So we're still in a dip in the crypto space, but a lot of people are taking this as opportunity to buy the dip and accumulate more before we start moving upwards again throughout 2021. So surprisingly, ADA is doing extremely well today. A lot of people are speculating that Tesla will be accepting ADA as payment. If you guys remember, I did a video on this previously where Elon Musk was kind of trolling about the Mary hard fork, which was on March 1st, and pretty much no word from Elon Musk about Cardano since then. He has never once mentioned Cardano as well. So we'll see what happens with that. If that does happen, that's going to be massive. It's going to explode. Just on the speculation, it's up over 10%. Hitting nearly $2 is pretty crazy, all-time highs for ADA. So we're also getting very close to the testnet for smart contracts, which will lead into the mainnet, which I do believe demand will be picking up throughout that. And then after that mainnet launch is when all the projects will start launching on the Cardano blockchain. And we did have a picture of the Cardano ecosystem yesterday that Charles Hoskinson shared. He said, man, Goguen is going to be crazy. Already a lot of projects that are preparing for the launch of Goguen and smart contracts. So we already have some swap websites as well, which is huge. All the projects that are going to be launching on the Cardano blockchain will be available on these swap websites, and they will have to be paired with ADA, and that will cause a supply shock to ADA. So that alone will require all of these projects to start acquiring ADA. So that did cause a supply shock for Binance BNB and Ethereum. Once Uniswap and PancakeSwap became very popular, we saw BNB basically do a 10x in a couple months period of time, which is huge for a top 10 cryptocurrency. That is extremely rare. So lots of discussion today on crypto Twitter about Bitcoin energy consumption. Yesterday we did cover Michael Saylor debating this from Michael Mayer. So that's really what kicked this off. All this FUD about Bitcoin energy consumption was that FUD piece that Michael Mayer did. And that was after Tesla did start accepting Bitcoin as payment. That brought a lot of attention to this, and it was creating a lot of bad press for Tesla. So Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, did disclose they bought another $15 million worth of Bitcoin, which was 271 BTC. They've pretty much been buying every single dip that we've had throughout this bull market. They bought a massive amount of Bitcoin back in 2020. They were far ahead of the herd on this. One of the first companies to really buy huge amounts of Bitcoin and hold that on their balance sheet. And they're one of the main reasons why the crypto space is doing as well as it is, which is another reason why I'm bullish on the MicroStrategy stock as well. And I did buy that in the Stocks vs. Crypto trading series. So as you guys probably already know, the Ethereum network has been extremely congested from all these meme coins and all the hype lately. Everyone buying massive amounts of altcoins. So Uniswap flips Bitcoin on daily revenue. This is just insane. The Ethereum gas fees are anywhere from $200 to even $600 per transaction right now, which is just insane. We thought it was bad when it was $20 to $50. Now over $500 for a single transaction is just ridiculous for most people. So unless you're buying an extremely massive amount of coins, that does end up being a huge chunk of it. that you don't actually get in the coin, and a massive fee like that just makes it not worth it for most people. So most average people, especially buying these smaller market cap altcoins, they don't want to be paying massive fees like this just to pick up a few $100s to a few $1,000s of a small cap altcoin. Since these small altcoins, people are not buying a large percent of their portfolio in these anyways, more so just a very small amount. So when you have gas fees like this really closes the doors to the masses participating in a lot of these small cap altcoins, which is why Binance BNB and the Binance Smart Chain has been booming. The price of BNB surged, and now we have Cardano smart contracts coming very soon, and the price of ADA rising. So that is a bit of a ways off still, but by the end of year, ADA should be running full speed. We should have hundreds of projects launching on the Cardano blockchain, and things are going to look much different than they are right now, in my opinion. So the cryptocurrency space is going more mainstream than most people realize. This article stating 46 million Americans owning crypto, and that's America alone. So really going mainstream here, and we really haven't had all the major developments that are in the works really launch yet. So lots of major things to come. We still have Visa and MasterCard to launch services. JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley have stated they will offer cryptocurrency services once there's more demand, and I do believe we're getting there. So personally, I have been getting some people contacting me that I thought would never be interested in cryptocurrencies and are now looking to buy not only Bitcoin, but altcoins as well. Imagine this pace continues with retail investors getting into the crypto space. At the same time, everyone that has gotten into crypto continues dollar cost averaging. This is the scenario where I don't think we're going to be entering a bear market anytime soon. I don't even think in 2022 we're going to enter a bear market unless something extremely bad happens, which I just don't see happening at this point. Crypto has just gone too mainstream. Too many companies and institutions have gotten involved in offering crypto services. So it is going to be very interesting to see how things play out. I definitely think things are going to be looking very good by the end of 2021. And if we do enter another bear market, it's not going to be anything like the last one we had, where the markets dropped over 70%. The markets were just not prepared for that type of demand at the time. So back here at the end of 2017, early 2018, we did peak out and then quickly dropped back down. So another huge step towards mass adoption here, MoneyGram to allow retail Bitcoin buying in the US. MoneyGram customers in the United States will soon be able to buy Bitcoin in the country's retail outlets across the country. These MoneyGram locations are everywhere. I do believe there's one in pretty much every Walmart as well. I'm not sure if you'll be able to buy Bitcoin from those locations, but regardless, a huge step towards mass adoption. More accessibility to crypto means more people buying crypto, taking it out of circulation. Basic supply and demand. Supply is shrinking as demand is growing, so we should only be moving upwards in the overall grand scheme of things. When you do zoom out, these dips end up looking very small. So it is looking very likely that ADA will be breaking that $2 mark, massive achievement and milestone for Cardano. And leading into that testnet that is coming for smart contracts, I do believe demand will be picking up, and then mid to end summer, I do believe $5 to $10 ADA is going to be very likely. Especially as we get more and more projects launching on the Cardano blockchain. And with these Ethereum gas fees right now, that is just a major selling point for the Cardano blockchain. They have an ERC20 token converter that's going to allow projects on the Ethereum blockchain to easily convert to the Cardano blockchain. Doing so, they will need to be on the Cardano swaps, and they will need to provide ADA for liquidity, making these projects requiring to buy up more ADA and take it out of circulation, locking it in liquidity, which is what happened to BNB, and that's why that surged so quickly. So I am pretty bullish on BNB in the short term as well, since it is solving that gas fee problem right now. Another major reason for projects to launch on the Binance Smart Chain is it gives them a connection with the Binance company as well. You have to consider this. Projects that do launch on the Binance Smart Chain are going to get noticed by Binance easier, and it will give them an advantage getting listed in Binance.com and other connections through Binance, the company. And Binance is the quickest growing company in the crypto space. They bought this website. I'm on CoinMarketCap, which is the highest traffic crypto website. They bought Trust Wallet, and they're just growing very rapidly. Definitely a great company in the crypto space that has helped push mass adoption. I know a lot of people have a bad opinion about Binance being centralized and everything, but regardless, it is helping push the price up of all cryptocurrencies, what they're doing in the crypto space. So a lot of projects will be launching on the Binance Smart Chain still, which will cause further supply shock to BNB. And we'll see how things go throughout the summer. It is going to be war of the blockchains. We're going to see which blockchain becomes most prominent in the crypto space. I do believe over time it will become Cardano, but in the short term, I do believe Ethereum and Binance will be keeping the lead on this. So we also have other Ethereum competitors that are lower in market cap, like Solana, EOS, Tron, as well as Avalanche and Cosmos, and some other smaller market cap projects that are trying to compete with Ethereum. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. We just hit 500,000 subscribers, which is a massive milestone. Another indicator how fast the crypto space is growing. So again, I do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.